Hello friends, welcome to Hello Crafty. It gives an immense joy to decorate goddess with our own hands for festivals. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate goddess for Lakshmi Puja. This decoration is so simple and easy, and we can do this decoration when we are running out of the time. Everyone must be having a Lakshmi idol in the home. So in this video, I'm going to use the Lakshmi idol which we worship daily, and I'm going to show you how to drape the sari for small idols. I already uploaded another video using face and sari, so please do check the description box for the link. Apart from festival decoration videos, I also do craft and other creative videos, so please do visit my channel and utilize all the creative ideas. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
First, let's start applying the turmeric to the coconut so that it will be ready by the time we complete the rest of the decoration. Remove the coconut fiber as much as possible, and whenever you are offering coconut to the god, it will help you in breaking the coconut easily. Excuse for using this type of coconut for puja. The place where I live in, we get coconut like this. In a bowl, I have made a thick paste of turmeric using water, and I'm start applying it on a coconut. Apply the turmeric from bottom to top. It will make your work quick and easy, also mess free. I would like to show you how I clean silver items within no time. I'll use this silver cleaning lotion. I will provide the link for this product in the description box below. To start cleaning on a paper towel, just apply 4 to 5 drops of this lotion and start cleaning the item. Within seconds, we can see the difference. This is very helpful to save our time. If you can't clean any of the corners on unreachable places, just apply this lotion directly and you can see the difference within seconds. Here is the difference before and after cleaning. Clean the idol with water using a tissue paper, or you can wash under the tap. We are doing this as this lotion has a pungent smell. Now let's take a blouse piece and open it completely. I have folded the cloth into half in width and again folded into half. Remove any of the excess threads which are hanging out. I have further folded into half. Now the length of this is 6 inches. Now using a jumbo safety pin, let's make the pleats. For that, fold the corner in this way so that the threads won't visible outside, and start pinning this in this way. Repeat same on the other end. Just fold the endings and pin it in this way. Half of the costume is ready. Let's see how we can complete the rest of the costume. To the idol, fix the rubber band as shown here and make sure it is very tight. I'm using a golden color lace to cover the upper body. You can use similar color or contrast color lace of your blouse piece to cover the upper body. You can also cut a small piece from the corner of the blouse piece and make use that to cover the upper body. Cover the upper body as shown here and secure the ends behind in the rubber band. If you are using the lace, follow this procedure. Fold the lace into half and secure this to the rubber band behind. The other side, don't fold the lace, just twist the lace in this way so that it can show the front side of the lace. Cut the extra length of the lace and secure it to the rubber band behind the idol. To secure this bottom part to the idol, let's insert the rubber band in this way. This goes on the idol like this. After adding the pleated part to the idol, it's gonna look something like this. Let's start arranging everything. I have placed a kalasam and I have filled this kalasam with rice. I'm going to place the idol at the neck of the kalasam. Secure this bottom part to the idol along with the kalasam. to make the idol look straight, give it a support by placing a flower behind the idol. Now I have placed 5 betel leaves, also known as pan leaves, or you can use mango leaves as well. I have used 2 head pins to secure the pan leaves as the shape I wanted. Now placing the coconut, and above this I am gonna place a blouse piece. So this is the final output after adding the background and tulsi plants. So do try this decoration to decorate the small idols for Lakshmi Puja.
If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please share this video for those who love to decorate on festivals, and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Please subscribe to Hello Crafty and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Hello Crafty. See you all soon in the next video.